Okay, let's take a look at this trigonometry, and you're just given, there's a triangle. It's triangle EFG, and they say that angle E is 90 degrees. So it's a right angle triangle, which is nice for doing trigonometry. Angle F is 29 degrees, and F, the side opposite the 29 degrees, little f, is 14 centimeters. So what you do is you put in the 90 degrees, you put 29 degrees, you put F here. You could put F in the top, but well, I put F down here, and you put in your 14 centimeters. Now we're going to try and solve means you figure out all the other sides and all the other angles. Now you should know why this is not 51 degrees. Look how it says 51 degrees. You know that the angles in this triangle have to add up to 180. So that means 90 degrees. This must be 61 degrees. So angle G is 61 degrees. I'll change it later here and fix it up, but it's not 51 degrees. It's 61 degrees because the angles in this triangle have to add up to 180. Okay, now what can we do with finding out? First, we could figure out what EF equals. How did we figure out what EF equals? Well, the tangent of 29 degrees is opposite over adjacent, and the opposite side is 14, and the adjacent side is what we're looking for. So there's the equation we have to solve. Now these two can trade places. You multiply both sides by EF, and you divide both sides by the tan of 29. And what you end up with is your answer. 14 divided by the tangent of 29, see how I put it in my calculator? It's 25.26 centimeters. So now we've got this side figured out. Okay, we can play the same game working out GF. The sine of 29 degrees is 14, which is opposite, over the hypotenuse, which is GF. Opposite over hypotenuse. You make that fraction, and then you solve. Multiply by GF, both sides, and divide by the sine of 29 degrees. Whenever you have anything like this, a number, even if they were numbers, these two numbers could trade places. So you multiply by GF and divide by the sine of 29. Put that in your calculator, and you get that it equals 28.88 centimeters. Now you could have used Pythagoras, and as long as you went 14 squared plus 25.25 squared and take the square root, and you'll get exactly the same answer, or pretty darn close, 28.88. Look at that. Same answer using Pythagoras. So you have kind of two choices here, but it's a trigonometry question, so maybe it's good to keep doing trigonometry. Now, this is really 61 degrees, but we could have used even different trig functions and used the 61 degrees. But there we go. All done.